Okay, just a little bit of a note for your electrician when he receives the machine. The machines come by default with no end plug, so your electrician's going to have to look at this and plug it in onto your outlet. 220 volts, 60 hertz, 3-phase. One note is that this is the power and this is the ground. If when you plug in the machine, in the plug, when you wire it, your electrician should know that if it's not working as soon as you start the machine, and you're gonna do that for a couple of seconds, don't try to run the machine when it's not working. There's a safety in the machine that it will not let it work. And if you notice that, you have to reverse one of these 3 plugs. Your electrician should know what that means. He will need to reverse one of the plugs, either the brown for the black, or the gray for the black, or vice versa. Anyway, one of the plugs of the ground has to be reversed. So when you go to start the machine and the machine does not work when it's plugged in, that's because the wiring over here on the male plug is incorrect. Your electrician should know to reverse one of these wires, and then it will work.